Hello and welcome to Not Boring English. Today I will tell a story called A Morning Full of Small Wins. And this lesson is for CEFR A1, A2 learners. Pause the video and try the shadowing technique. Repeat after me to improve your fluency and pronunciation. If the speech feels fast, use the playback speed to slow it down. Morning full of small wins. I wake up before the sun. The room is quiet and cool. I turn off my alarm and lie very still for a moment. I think of a warm cup of coffee and the small list in my head. I am a mom. My day begins with many small tasks. Each task is a small win. I go to the kitchen. The coffee maker is my first friend. I smell the coffee. The smell makes me smile. I pour a cup and sit by the window. I look at the street. The light is soft. I check my phone. I write 2 notes. One is for my son, and one is for me. I take a deep breath. I am ready. My son, Alex, sleeps in the next room. He is 7 years old. He sleeps with his teddy bear. I walk to his room and open the door slowly. He moves and mumbles. I say, "Good morning, sleepyhead." He opens his eyes. He smiles. He loves pancakes. I tell him, "Pancakes or cereal?" He says, "Pancakes." His voice is small and happy. That is my second small win. I make pancakes. I use the simple mix in the box. The kitchen is warm now. I flip pancakes, and the sound is soft. Alex sits at the table and draws a sun with a yellow crayon. He shows me the picture. I put his picture on the fridge with a magnet. It looks bright on the white door. My heart feels light. While Alex eats, I pack his school bag. I check his homework and put a snack in his bag. I pack a water bottle and his small jacket. I ask, "Do you need your hat?" He says, "No." I smile. He is growing. I feel proud. The day moves on. My daughter Mia is 3 years old. She wakes up later and she likes to take her time. She loves to put on big sunglasses and dance. Today she walks into the kitchen with pink slippers. She says, "Mom, can I help?" I give her a small bowl and a spoon. She stirs the batter and laughs. Her laugh is bright. I clean the floor gently with my hand. I do not mind the mess. Little hands make big joy. We eat breakfast together. We eat fast, but we talk. Alex tells a short story about a dog at the park. Mia sings a short song. I listen and I nod. I feel calm. I plan to wash the dishes after school. For now, our small table is full of life. Then a small problem happens. The cat jumps on the table. He knocks over a glass of orange juice. The juice spills on the floor and on the table. Alex gasps. Mia cries a little. I feel a small rush of worry. I take a deep breath and I tell them, "It is okay. We can clean it." I give Alex some paper towels. He wipes the table. Mia helps to pick up the fruit. The cat hides under the chair. We laugh a little. The problem is small. We fix it together. This is another small win. After breakfast, we get ready to go out. I tie shoelaces and check coats. I try to be quick but calm. Sometimes mornings feel like a hurry. I like to move slowly inside my head. I tell myself, one step at a time. I say goodbye to my neighbor who brings out the mail. She has a smile and says, "Have a good day." Her small kindness makes my day lighter. We walk to the bus stop. The air is fresh and cool. Alex talks about the science project at school. He is a little nervous. I hold his hand for a moment and then let go when the bus comes. The bus driver waves. Alex climbs the steps with his backpack. He turns and waves to me. I wave back until the bus door closes. I feel both proud and a little sad. The small goodbye is a big feeling. After the bus leaves, Mia and I walk back home. We pick up a small leaf on the sidewalk. Mia puts the leaf in her pocket like a treasure. I teach her to look for small joys. She looks at me and smiles. We stop by the small park and sit on a bench. I drink the rest of my coffee. The sun is higher now. The day is moving. At home, I do quiet work. I clean a little. I answer emails. And I plan dinner. I also take a short rest. I sit on the couch and close my eyes for 5 minutes. This rest is small, but it helps. I tell other moms, a short rest is good. It gives me energy. Midday comes, and I make a shopping list. I write simple words: milk, bread, eggs, apples. I like lists. They make things clear. I take my bag and go to the market. I enjoy the light and the people. I choose apples that are red and firm. On the way back, I meet Mia's teacher at the corner. She says, "Mia did a nice drawing today." I smile and say thank you. Small words of praise mean a lot. At home, I cook a simple lunch. The kitchen is warm again. Mia sits in her high chair and plays with a spoon. I give her a small piece of apple. She chews slowly and smiles. She points at a fly on the window and laughs. I laugh too. The day has many small, bright moments. In the afternoon, I pick up Alex from school. He runs to me with a story and a small paper boat he made. He says, "Look, Mom, I made this." I say, "Great job." He knows I am proud. We walk back home with small hands in mine. The evening comes with jobs to do. We eat dinner together. We wash plates and put toys away. I read a short book to the children. The story is simple and kind. Alex and Mia listen with big eyes. They fall asleep soon. I tuck them in and kiss their foreheads. The house is quiet. My work is done for the day, but not all done. I wash a few dishes and I fold a little laundry. These small tasks feel like the end of a long but good day. I sit on the couch and think about the day. I count my small wins. I made coffee. I made pancakes. I fixed a spill. I calmed a worry. I helped my children learn. And I took a short rest. Each win is small, but together they are big. I smile and I feel satisfied. Before bed, I write a short note in my planner. I write 3 things for tomorrow. I keep the list short. I put the notes by the coffee maker so I will see them in the morning. I turn off the light. I feel tired but happy. I listen to the quiet house, and I am thankful. The next morning will come with new small tasks. I know not every day will be easy. Some days will bring big problems, but today taught me a simple truth. Small things matter. Small wins make a good day. Being kind, taking a breath, and saying, "Well done" to yourself are important. I am a mom, and I learn each day. I am not perfect, but I try. That is enough. Comprehension. Questions now. I will ask a few questions about the story to check your understanding. 1. What did I make for breakfast when Alex asked? 2. What small problem happened at the table, and how did we fix it? 3. Name 2 small wins I had during the day. Write your answers in the comments to practice writing in English. Thank you for listening to my story on Not Boring English. What is one small win from your day? Write it below, and please subscribe for more simple stories and practice.